Ciao a tutti! It's Queen Says channel. Kumusta kayo? So I'm back for another unboxing and haul video. I am really excited to share this with you. I can't wait to try all these products. So lahat ito binili ko with my own money this month. Actually, mga mini haul ito na pinagsama-sama. Yung iba nito na unbox ko na sa sobrang excited ko. But still, ipapakita ko pa rin sa inyo. If you are watching some of my other videos, I am currently at a makeup school. So, I aspire to be a future makeup artist. Lahat ng products na itong binili ko is actually for school. And I am planning to use these products to my future clients, if ever. So, I'm gonna start with the products that I ordered online. This is from Jess Up Cosmetics, the Jess Up Beauty. I ordered this from AliExpress.it. This is a 10-piece brush set. Nagulat ako dito because napaka-soft. Talagang hindi ko siya inaasahan na ganito. Napaka-soft nito, guys, as in. Hindi kayo magsisisi. Itong dalawang to binili ko sa beautybay.com. Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel and Brow Wiz Skinny Brow Pencil. Kasi sikat na sikat to pang kilay. I don't know. Everybody's raving about this. So, I decided, why not try it, no? This is the Clear Brow Gel. I love the packaging. Napaka-elegant. And then, this one is yung Brow Wiz. I got the shade Ebony. Ebony is a dark color. Ayan siya. Let's swatch it. Pigmented siya. Hindi naman siya black na black. Dark brown. Brownish din siya. And then, you have here your spoolie on the other end. Ayan. I'm really excited. So, I got a couple of products from Roses Beauty Store. Yung Roses Beauty Store is actually a British online store. Doon lang yung parang pinaka-source ng mga beauty products na hindi available dito sa Rome, na mahirap bilhin dito sa Europe. To source out sila ng products from the US, sila yung o-order, and then sa kanila mo-orderin yung I'm sorry, in-unbox ko na. Gusto ko na kasi talagang makita yung laman. So, this is Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder, Translucent. So, ito siya. Sobrang finely milled. Grabe, as in. Napaka-soft. Let's see kung okay siya. It is translucent, so it is good for any foundation. It will not alter the color of your foundation. And then, the other thing that I'm most excited about, again, in-unbox ko na, sorry, sa sobrang excitement ko. I've been eyeing this for years and years since na lumabas to. This is the Lorac Pro Eyeshadow Palette. This is the original, the very first Lorac Pro. Walang nagbebenta na kahit na sino dito ng Lorac Cosmetics. Kaya na-excite ako nung nakita ko to sa Roses Beauty Store. Okay, so ito siya. Familiar naman na kayo dito. It's been out for like forever. Ako lang yung talagang napaka-late. So, ito siya. I'm sorry, may swatch na yung iba kasi sa sobrang excite ko. May mga bakat na ng mga fingers. Meron siyang mirror, napakaganda, napaka-sleek, napaka-elegant. Yan siya. I can't believe na nasa hands ko na siya. Ang gaganda ng mga eyeshadows niya. Neutrals. Talagang andito na lahat ng gusto mo sa isang palette. Kasi meron from the light to the darkest, may white, mayroong black, and then you have the neutrals, the brown colors for your eye crease. You know, for the highlight, ayan, may mga bronzy colors, may gold color. Meron tayong matte, meron tayong glitters. If you want to see the swatch, ayan, na-swatch ko na yung ano, ito. Ang ganda-ganda nito, deep purple, yan siya. And then, meron yung slate. Ayan, medyo glittery. And then, we have gold. Ayun. Ayan, and you have the champagne color here. Ayan. So pigmented. Napaka-buttery, napaka-smooth. Okay, so I can't wait to play with this. Next na tayo. I went to OVS. This is a store here in Rome. So this is a mini haul na drugstore. for my personal use. Pero mayroon din akong nabili for school. Pero more on para sa... So, again, punta tayo sa brushes. I got 3 brushes here. Okay, one is from Real Techniques by Sam and Nick. This is the setting brush. Matagal ko na rin tong gustong bilhin. Doon ko lang siya nakita sa OVS eh. Sinasabi nila maganda siya for, you know, highlight. Wala pa kasi akong ganitong type ng brush. So, gusto ko siya. Then, I have Lottie London Blending Brush. I have other Lottie brushes and I love them because they are also soft, not bad. Ayan siya. Okay to. Wala pa akong ganito. Then, let's go to the other brush. This is eyebrow brush. This is from Essence. Ayan. I love Essence. Napaka-affordable nito. And marami akong gamit na from Essence talaga. Ito yung isa sa mga una kong mga nasubukan ng mga makeup products. And hanggang ngayon, nasatisfied ako. Patuloy ko pa rin binibili. So, ayan siya. Ayun. And then, next, I also got sa Essence pa rin, the lashes. Ito kasi kailangan to sa school. So, this is not for me. I am not a fan of false eyelashes. Flash lang to. Sa external angle lang ng mata. Pangdagdag sa makeup. Then, I also got Ardell Glamour. Again, a pair of eyelashes. Ayan, binili ko lang for school. And then, I got this foundation, Revlon Colorstay 2-in-1 Compact Makeup and Concealer. This is 180 Sand Beige. I've never tried a compact foundation. So, gusto ko ito i-try kasi I love Revlon foundations. Tignan natin kung okay siya sa akin. Sorry about my voice. Then I got 3 products from Physicians Formula. So I got this mascara, Organic Wear, 100% natural origin jumbo mascara. I really heard good reviews about this and matagal na ako curious dito. Nung nakita ko siya sa OVS, ay Physicians Formula pala doon. Ito. Tignan natin kung ano itsura ng kanyang... Ooh, wow. That's pretty big. This is for big, thick, bold lashes. This is Ultra Black. Oh, made in USA siya ha. Sa US drugstore to eh, the Physicians Formula. And I'm really glad na nakita ko siya dito sa Rome. So, ito naman, Physicians Formula Shimmer Strips in Warm Nude. Custom Eye Enhancing Eyeshadow and Liner. So, ayan. Ayan siya. It comes with an applicator. Ayan. Maganda siya kasi more on bronzy and golds. Ayan, from light to dark. Swatch it kung anong... Ayan siya. Let's swatch this gold here. Wow, that is so pigmented. I didn't expect it. Ayan. Buong-buo talaga yung kanyang color. Let's try this, yung glittery. Wow. Hindi ako nagkamali, guys. And then, I also got this butter bronzer. Sabi nila maganda daw tong bronzer. Let's try and swatch it. This is how it looks. Ang cute-cute ng packaging. Ganda-ganda ng color. May summer feel. Pang summer talaga siya. Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda. Oh my God. That is so silky. Ayun siya. Oh my God. And then, meron din siyang mirror. Ganda ng packaging. I love it. And meron siyang parang applicator. I thought it's a brush. Pero, sponge siya. I don't know kung magagamit ko to. Ang bango niya. Actually, may smell siya. May coconut. Let's go to the next haul. This is from Profumerie La Gardenia. Labilit sa Inante Prima. Atelier, The Beauty Selector. Ito ay isang sikat na cosmetic store dito sa Rome. It's like a Sephora of US. So, random lang to ha, yung pagkuha ko. So, I got this Love Therapy per La Gardenia, designed by Elio Fiorucci. Ayan, this is Pumini Perchipria. This is for, you know, powder puffs. Kasi lately, I'm into powder puffs. Dati, talagang ito na yung ginagamit ko. And then, I switch onto the brushes. Ito ngayon, bumabalik ulit ako sa powder puffs. So, ayan, bumili na naman ako ng eye pencil from The Balm. I got this for school, actually. I got D&B Onyx, which is black. And then, Scott B Bordeaux, which is a deep. Ayan, may mga pangalan kasi yung The Balm eh. Magaganda rin. Interesting din yung The Balm. Medyo may kamahalan din kasi ito. Let me swatch it. Ayan. So creamy niya. Ayan siya. Black na black talaga siya. And then, retractable siya. Ayan siya. I don't know kung gaano karami tong product na to. Tignan natin kung tatagal siya. Purple. Let me swatch this for you. Ayan siya. Ayan. I'm really excited to try this out. So, let's go to this Lancome Paris Art Liner in black. My God. I've never had a Lancome product in my makeup collection. This is one of those, you know, high-end product na hindi ko kayang abutin. And masyadong mahal for me. I-shake daw muna. Wow! That is so black. Ganda niya, ha? High-end na high-end ang dating talaga. Napaka-black na. And then I also got two Dior lip products. This is Dior Addict Lip Glow Backstage Bros Color Awakening Lip Balm. Nakita ko rin to kasi sabi nila ito yung mga ginagamit for runways, you know, sa mga models. Ito. It's just a lip balm. Clear lang siya, transparent. Ikintab lang yung lips. Sabi nila, it brings out the true color of your lips. So, kasi nga, transparent lang siya. Parang, nagiging shiny lang siya. Ganda-ganda ng packaging. I'm not sure kung gagamitin ko for school. Kasi meron na rin akong nabili for school. Parang gusto ko rin itry sa sarili ko. But I don't know. I'll have to think about that. Kung ako ang gagamit. Okay, next, I have Rouge Dior 999 Matte. Ito yung sinasabi nilang napaka-famous classic red lipstick ni Christian Dior. Red siya. Ayan siya. Pero ito, gumawa sila ng bagong formula which is matte. Yung 999, yung original, is very lucid. Napaka-wet niya. Hindi siya matte. Oh my God. Natatakot ako itong iswatch. Oh my God. That is firing red. Oh my God. Parang kakulay nitong nails ko ngayon. Pang Christmas. Ang ganda niya, guys. Oh my God. Look at that. May nakalagay na Dior. Nakahawak ng Christian Dior, guys. Pagpasensyahan niyo na ako. This is not for myself. Again, for school. Binigyan ako ng mga Campioncini. This is Clinique Even Better. Makeup SPF 15, Evens and Corrects. This is 05 in neutral. I will surely try this. This is Yves Saint Laurent Natural Spray, Black Opium. Oh my God. Hindi na ako makatry ng mga ganitong high-end na perfume. This is Narciso Rodriguez Eau de Parfum. The mystery of attraction captured in a fragrance. The rendezvous between velvety jasmine, sensual woods, and powdery musk. Ayan siya. Narciso. Ayan. Bottega Veneta Eau Sensuelle Eau de Parfum Natural Spray. Ayan siya. Na Eau de Neroli Doré Eau de Cologne. Hermes Paris. Oh my God. Collection Cologne. The lively and generous freshness of Neroli enhanced by saffron. Hermes or Hermes? Or Hermes? Let's go to my last but not the least. I know. Talagang nasiraan na ako ng Sabi ko sa inyo, I am a drugstore junkie. Sa totoo lang, tong mga products na to, yung mga medyo high-end, never in my whole life ako nakatry nito. Okay, so let's start. This is the Duo Eyelash Adhesive. Ito yung nirecommend ng prof namin for the falsies. Kasi maganda daw talaga to. Eyes kasi is napaka-sensitive, so kailangan mag-ingat. So sa MAC nabibili siya, pero nabibili rin naman siya sa ibang store. Okay, let's go to the two foundations that I got. This is MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 and MAC Pro Longwear SPF 10 Try muna natin yung Pro Longwear. I got NC25. Ayan siya. Ganyan ang kanyang bottle. Guys, ngayon lang ako nakahawak nito. I don't know, sa totoo lang naguguluhan ako. I'm not familiar with MAC. Sorry naman. Ngayon lang ako bumili sa kanila. Kasi NC stands for Neutral Cool and NW is Neutral Warm. Ang kanilang cool is in yellow undertone at yung kanilang warm nasa pinkish undertone. Actually, nakalimutan ko palang itanong yun, no, sa sales lead. Dapat tinanong ko pala para na-inform ko rin kayo. Ipakita ko lang sa inyo yung color. Ayan. Ayan siya. As you can see, it is liquidy. Ayan. Hindi ba yellow yan? Kitang-kita naman. I hope nakikita sa cam na yellow talaga siya. May beige. Ayan. Light color lang siya para sa mga mapuputi na may yellow undertone. So, let's go to the Studio Fix Fluid. Ito, grabe, sikat na sikat to. Ang dami-dami nagre-rave dito. This is, I got NC40. Nagkamali nga ako eh. Dapat sana NW40 ang kukuhanin ko. Kasi para at least meron akong NC at may NW ako. Para pwede kong ipag-mix yung color. Ayan siya. Wala siyang pump. Itong Fix Fluid, ganyan lang siya. Kung gusto nyong bumili, meron silang pump. Kaya lang, pati pump nila mahal, guys. Oh my God. Ito siya. Tatakot akong i-pour. So, i-swatch ko na lang siya dito. Again, NC siya, pero much darker. Ito yung NC... Oh my God, nakakalimutan ko. Ito yung NC25 at ito yung NC40. This is the Pro Longwear Foundation and this is Studio Fix Fluid. Ayan siya. Kapag binlend ko siya, ayan, nagiging parang orangey siya. Yung mga tan colors, medium to tan. So, yan lang. So, sa ngayon, dalawa muna. Dahil sabi ko, gusto ko muna itry. At least may dalawa akong options. Natin. Kasi, yun nga, may kamahalan talaga ang MAC. So, huwag natin biglayin. Bala ko rin bumili ng NW. I-share ko rin ulit sa inyo. I also want to try this for myself. Kasi ang sabi nila yung Fix Fluid is very good for oily skin. And I have an oily skin. Tingnan natin kung okay. Kaya lang medyo dark siya sa akin. I don't know. Titignan natin. And I'll do a first impression review. At i-share ko sa inyo yung aking thoughts. And then yung Pro Longwear Foundation naman. Okay siya. Sabi nila sa both oily and dry skin. Longwear. Just like what it says. Pro Longwear. Long wearing daw talaga siya. Hindi siya agad-agad na tatanggal. So, maganda rin daw siya sa photograph. Maganda rin daw siya sa flash, without flash. So, maganda raw yung Pro Longwear. Actually, matte siya. Mattifying foundation. I will try. Let's see. I will try it for myself, definitely. Para rin malaman ko kung paano yung product. Let's proceed to another product that I bought. This is the eyeshadow in Carbon Matte. I bought this kasi kailangan namin sa smoky eye look. I swatch it para makita nyo. Oh my God, wala na akong pag-i-swatch yan. Ayan siya. Hindi siya masyadong black, ano. Yun nga, para siyang carbon talaga. As in. I thought it was a single eyeshadow na pwede kong tanggalin, ilagay sa palette. But I think nagkamali ako ng dampot. Okay na rin. At least I have this. Eye product pa rin tayo. Because I got the eyeshadow. Ito. Another brush from MAC. This is 217 blending brush. Maganda daw tong pang blend ng eyeshadow, sabi ng prof namin. Nirecommend niya to. So I also got PowerPoint eye pencil. This is engraved. Again, para sa aking smoky eyes. Kaya ko to binili. Guys, nung iniswatch ko siya sa store, I am so blown away. That is so creamy. Grabe yung pag-glide ng pencil. As in, grabe. Nakakaloka. Ibang level. Ibang level. This is why this is the go-to products of the makeup artist. Kitang-kita mo na agad. Pati sa pag-swatch ng products, iba. As in, I can't even describe it. Kung may MAC products kayo, alam niyo yung sinasabi ko. I think it's worth it. Kaya siya ganun kamahal. Talaga namang, you know, sulit ka talaga sa quality. The MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. This is, of course, again, in black. Ito, binili ko again for school. Lahat naman to for school. Nothing is for me. Povera me. Ganda ng packaging. Color blue. This is my favorite color. Pakita ko rin sa inyo yung wand. Ayan. Hindi pa ako nagkakaroon ng ganito. Maganda to kasi maliit siya. Not only para sa lashes, kundi para dun sa lower lashes. So, maabot din yung mga pinaka maliliit na hair ng lashes nyo. So, napaka-maraming good reviews about this. So, I'm really excited to try it. And then, I only have 2 remaining products here. For the lips, I got the MAC Lip Pencil in Soar and MAC Retro Matte Lipstick in Ruby Woo. So, ito kinuha ko kasi mga best seller talaga sila. These are the colors na talagang almost everybody okay siya. So, ito yung lip pencil, Soar. Hindi ko na alam kung saan ko siya isuswatch. Dito ko na lang siya iswatch. Ayan. Ito siya. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Pero, napaka-neutral lang ng color niya. Which is exactly the color of the lips naman talaga, diba? Yun talaga yung natural color natin. Almost everybody has that color. And then, ito naman yung Ruby Woo. Everybody loves this. Again, this is a classic, as in classic red lipstick. Just like the Christian Dior 999. Ang dami ring may gusto nito. So, itabi natin siya dun sa Dior. Tingnan natin kung anong difference. Ayan siya. This one. You know, look at the difference. Yung Dior is red talaga eh. Red na red siya kung makikita nyo. Just like my nails. Itong Ruby Woo may pagka... hindi ko ma-explain. Mas cool tone, I guess. So, kayo na lang mag-judge. Nakakahiya yung nails ko. Chip na yung aking nail polish. I hope you enjoyed this video. Ang dami kong swatch. Nag-enjoy kayo kung sino man yung nakatry na ng mga products na to. Please leave a comment. Please share your thoughts. I'm gonna share with you kung ano yung mga comments ko dito. Some of them I will do a review. So, please watch out for that. So, yun lang lahat. Mostly, gusto ko kasi dun sa aking makeup bag, sa aking makeup kit, gusto ko complete siya. Ayokong nilalagay yung mga personal products ko doon. Kasi, I want something different para sa aking future profession. Iba din naman dun sa akin sa mga products ko. That is the big difference for yourself and doing the makeup of others. Kasi sa'yo, alam mo na sa sarili mo kung ano yung mag-work. But when it comes to a client, hindi mo pa alam. So, kailangan talaga namang quality products din yung ilalagay mo sa mukha nila. You are the artist. Ipinagkakatiwala nila sa'yo yung kanilang beauty. So, kailangan talagang best naman yung ibigay mo para sa kanila. So, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next one. Ciao!